Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Today I want to tell about a news of cryptocurrencies.
The battle between crypto bull and bear saw hope for the future. Bitcoin traded below its mining cost basis in June. DeFi experienced a 33% decline in TVL, and mid-mine weekly BTC option fig to their highs on record. The blockchain space is seeing some areas of strength deficit to favored downturn in the market. The first one featured funding rates of Bitcoin and there have flavored back to positive on major exchange. We saw bullish sentiment among derivative traders. In addition, Bitcoin started trending below its cost basis, which has marked previous areas of market bottom. In contrast, June saw decentralized finance experience a 33% decrease in total value locked and crypto stock provide a negative 42.7% average month-over-month return. There is a ongoing battle between bullish and bearish sentiment in different areas of the market. To help crypto-century traders maneuver through the battlefield, Cointelegraph research recently launched in monthly investor insight report. In the report, the research team breaks down the past month top market moving events and mass critical data across the various sectors of the industry. The researcher provide expert analysis and insight that can benefit serious blockchain market participants. Ending of the June, there have been strong bearish sentiment in the market. One indicator of bearish and bullish sentiment in volatility scale of a market. The larger the scale range, the more volatile. Wide figure range suggests less volatility, which implies more confidence in the market. On June 18, the Bitcoin option 25 delta scale figured at 36%, the highest ever on record. Since then, some optimism has returned, sending the scale down to 70%. This signals a strong belief that the crypto market will rebound over the few months. Premium on long call Bitcoin and there and that their traders are optimistic about the end of year. However, sovereignty issue and the risk of contagion are still present in the market and mean of investor and regulator. In sideways market, traders can use strangle to generate return of Bitcoin stay-range bond. Strangles in flop sale put and call in at different stick phrase. The idea of strangle is like the name implies placing to put and call below above the recent spot price. For example, in Bitcoin and 2000 for sale a put 19 no 1500 15,000 on the downside and call at 13,000 on the upside. If they expire after a month, the premium result in the gains minimum the transaction fees. Currently, the options curve have a fee slope with the implied volatility difference up to 10% between 700 until 24,000 strike price and their bid in the Chicago Material Exchange. This indicates a good setup for a risk referral involving a short FOB and 70,000 a long call at 24,000. Bitcoin unreleased lost hand in the hair in the head and grace basis. History of global bottom have formed when loss hit over 25%. The downsloping move average and the relative strength index in the oversold zone indicate that bears are in control. However, for the first time since March 2020, Bitcoin traded below its mining cost basis, a level that has historically marked global capitulation and bottom in the price of Bitcoin. The net unrealized profit and loss indicator in more evidence that the bulls might potentially be overtake the bear. The Investor Insight report covered various on the topics such as security token, DeFi blockchain gaming, crypto-century mining, blockchain-related stocking, regulation and venture capital investment. The subject matter experts stay up to date on all latest new trends to catch the when and provide essential insight into the blockchain industry. Each selection of the report compared important.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys.